Okay, hello, greetings and welcome. Alright, so I'd like to introduce one of my teachers, Michael Lamb. He introduced me to William Cook Edwards to study Hermetics. I did a Qigong course with him in the 80s, and he's really the person who introduced me to Hermetic science. And Michael spent 9 years with William, and he's very, very gifted man. So we're going to sponsor him for a workshop in Thailand later in the year. And it'll most probably be in Chiang Mai by the look of it at the moment. But if you're interested in that workshop, please just drop me an email. Let me know so we can get a sense of how many numbers. It's going to be on mostly around the Tree of Life and Kabbalah, and relating all the fundamental topics from the beginner's work through to intermediate evocational work, sacred geometry, ley lines, all different types of subjects. But the workshop will be centering it around Kabbalistic thinking. So it'll be a lot of fun, and so beginners can come to this workshop as well. So it's a half theory, half practice type of workshop. We'll schedule it for 40 hours, 4 hours a day over 10 days, but Michael says a lot of days will go 6, 8, even 10 hours. So be prepared for longer practice days with that workshop. He really enjoys getting right into it. Now, dates, I'm not really sure. We'll get a consensus from people who want to attend. I'm looking at December, but preferably early December, but we'll keep everything open at the moment. It might be a month earlier, might be a month later. It depends on how everyone feels who wants to attend. So the first half a dozen or so people that contact me, they can say a preference. I'd like to come in this month, and then those initial requests, we'll find a balance and then we'll schedule it off that. But I'm really looking forward to attending that workshop myself. It's going to be a lot of fun, and it's exciting for me to get a perspective of someone who spent much longer with my teacher than what I did, and fill a few gaps. So I'm excited. All right, thanks for your time, and see you in the next video.